Hello, everybody. Today I will talk about 10 signs that make you a true leader without even a title. Number one, you speak effectively. Okay? People trust you. People understand what you say because you listen effectively and then you respond rather than reacting. Number two, you care for others. You value others' decisions. Okay? You empathize with them. You bring people together. That's number three. You collaborate, you reduce conflicts. Okay, that's why you're valued. Number four, you support others. It's just not your win. You celebrate others' win also. So you focus on others' win. Okay, so that's number four. Number five, you inspire trust. Okay, they trust your judgment and integrity. Number six, you lead by examples. Okay, your action speaks louder than words. Number seven, you focus on solutions. Okay, instead of complaining about problems, you figure out ways to fix them. Number nine, you stay accountable. You own your mistakes and follow up and keep your promises. Finally, you take initiatives. Okay, you stand up whenever there is a need. And that's what makes you a different leader.